Birds of a feather means people who are similar, like each other. They have same habits, same thinking, or same interests. In simple words, birds of a feather equals similar people stay together. Easy explanation. This idiom tells us that people with the same likes become friends. Similar thinking brings people together. It is often used to talk about friendship. Very easy examples. They are friends because birds of a feather. Students who study together are birds of a feather. More simple sentences. Sports lovers are birds of a feather. Music lovers are birds of a feather. Good people stay with good people. Birds of a feather. Daily life examples. Classmates with same interests sit together. People with same goals work together. Friends like similar activities. Student sentence. My best friend and I are birds of a feather. Easy memory tip. Same people stay together equals birds of a feather.